Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everybody online, guys. Today we're in Swansea, Illinois. We're doing a hardwood wax removal. They have some topical products on there that we're moving today. And then we're going to clean and buff it, get it back to original state. We came back out here about 8-9 months ago, did a demo. They did a consultation, paid their $75 consultation fee, and then they got on the schedule here about a week ago. So that's what we're doing today. Again, we're doing this service here. We're going to remove the wax, then we're going to do a clean and buff. So little rainy out here, but we're gonna make it happen in the Midwest. So that's what we're doing. If you guys need the service, please reach out. We're also gonna give them a bottle of our neutral cleaner to try. We're gonna give them a little discount. So typically we sell these for 15, but we're gonna get it to them for 10. So we also have refills as well. So that's what we got going on, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube. We got plenty of videos that will be educational and add value to you. And if you need our service, by all means, check us out at WeCanSaveFloors.com or give us a call right there. And stay tuned. Remember, before you floor it, let us restore it. All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. You can just see this is pre-finished hardwood. They got a over-the-counter products on there, like a quick shine. You can just see how smudgy it is right there. That's because it doesn't cure. And this is why that stuff doesn't go on your floors. So you can just see there, zoom in, see that, guys? All that little scuff marks. Polyurethane doesn't do that, guys. That's why you don't put stuff on your floors like Quick Shine, Mop and Glow, Rejuvenate, all that stuff, because it never cures. So it actually leaves indentions and marks into your floor, make it look horrible. So we're gonna emulsify this today, and then we're gonna get it extracted, neutralized, and then look at that, guys. See that? Get it back to the original state. Again, this is pre-finished red oak hardwood. And once we remove all this makeup, then we're gonna do a clean and buff. So they're getting 2 services. They're getting wax removal. We got Bridget edging or taping now. And then they're doing a clean and buff. So that's what we're doing, guys. Let's look at that, guys, all the smudges. See, look at this right here. See that, guys? Right there. Yep. Look at that. Stay tuned. It's going to be an amazing transformation. And as always, thanks for watching. Check this out, guys. You can zoom in. See all that smudginess? See that, guys? That is why topical products don't go on your hardwoods. Follow us for more tips, techniques, and advice on how to properly maintain your hardwoods, textiles, carpets, and tile. Get all that removed today. Stay tuned. Wow. All right, guys. Hope you guys are having a happy Monday. Man, this April's flew by, believe it or not. Can't believe it's the Monday the 6th already. But we're getting ready to prep now. Remember, if you need us, there we go. Get this floor back to original state. This client's excited. And again, guys, if you need anything on our end, whether it's wax removal, complete hardwood sanding and refinishing, or just screen and recoat, which is our same-day dustless service, give us a call. We got you covered. Also, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, of course, we're on Instagram as well. And there's our number and email and website there. Check us out there. And yeah, guys, we love what we do. We love saving floors. Remember, before you floor it, let AO restore it. And we believe an indoor environment is a healthy one. And it starts with your floors. There you breathe, and of course, the things you touch. So, yeah, guys, what a beautiful day it is. Sun will come out later today. It's going to be a high of 78 here in the Midwest. And beautiful Swansea, Illinois area. And that's going to do it. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. I'll show you this too. You can just see the smudges in the floor here too. Just look at that, guys. See that? All the smudges. That's not in the wood. That's actually in that top coat of Quick Shine or Orange Glow they put on here, or Rejuvenate. One of the over-the-counter products you can get. That's not recommended for your floors. Any kind of sealed wood, guys, little tip of the day for you. Any sealed wood, all you need is a neutral cleaner because your floors are already sealed and protected with either aluminum oxide like this has or polyurethane. All you need is a neutral cleaner, guys. This is good for your hardwoods, your engineered, your LVTs, your luxury vinyl tile, and the tile and grout itself. A neutral cleaner only. For more tips, give us a follow and a like. So everybody, she's attacking now. We're letting this product dwell to emulsify. Then we're going to extract and agitate. Okay, guys, you can just see this is a good angle. But look at all that smudges right there. See all that smudginess I was explained to the client? That's what those products do to your floors. So never put those products on your floors, only a neutral cleaner. Look at that, guys, right through there. See that? All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. I got some good emulsification. Look at this, guys. Look at this. See how slippery this is? That's that product just coming up like it's supposed to. Look at that. You can do a little ice skating on here. So slick. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. It's going good. Get this emulsified. Guys, this floor is emulsified and we neutralized it. Now we're going to come back clean and buff it, but look how beautiful this floor is without all that garbage on the floor. Wow. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the emulsification down. We're letting it dwell. It's actually really slick right now, as you can just see that kind of emulsifier just breaking that wax up, and that's what's happening. So we're emulsifying that now. Getting it suspended, so you know it takes a little dwell time for that. And then we're going to agitate and extract it, and then get it cleaned and buffed, and get these clients' floors back to original state. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. All right, guys, we're finishing agitating. You can just see that slurry that's leaving behind. That's actually the wax from being removed. See that, guys? It's going good, guys. Spinning well. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Good shine. Okay, we already did this side. We're letting that dry, and now we're going to do this side. You can just see all that buildup of that over-the-counter products that's still on the floor. We have not done this side yet, so you guys can just see. You see all the smudges, and especially on the threshold there around under that toe kick. See that, guys? That's all that quick shine that's not supposed to go on your floors. So just a little recap, and we'll get this back to the original state. This is just splotchy and smudgy. Yeah, that's because I thought stuff is soft, and we're gonna get that suspended and emulsified, and then we're gonna extract it and clean and buff it, and all is well. Stay tuned. Update, we already did this side. We're letting that dry, and now we're going to do this side. You can just see all that buildup of that over-the-counter products that's still on the floor. We have not done this side yet, so you guys can just see. You see all the smudges, and especially on the threshold there around under that toe kick. See that, guys? That's all that quick shine that's not supposed to go on your floors. So just a little recap, and we'll get this back to the original state. This is just splotchy and smudgy. Yeah, that's because I thought stuff is soft, and we're gonna get that suspended and emulsified, and then we're gonna extract it and clean and buff it, and all is well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, a little update. We got the emulsifier down there now, as you guys can see. We're letting it dwell a little bit, then we're gonna agitate it, extract it, and then get all this wax off, and then back to original state. Well, for now, as you guys can see, we got this floors back to original state, beautiful again, and just doing a clean and buff. Beautiful. almost done. You can see all those smudges that were right there, all gone, all disappeared, emulsified, back to original state. And another happy client. We save the hardwoods. WeCanSaveYourFloors.com. Alright guys, just got finished up. You can see this floor is back to original state. I did advise the client how to properly clean it, and always use a neutral cleaner, which is right here. And never put topical products on your floors. For more information, visit AOCleaning.com or WeCanSaveYourFloors.com, and subscribe to our channel. Glad you did. Thanks for watching.